Son of a... Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Or should I say welcome back to myself, because I haven't made an R8 video in over a year. And the reason being was I was so busy modding the Mercedes and the Audi A4, I just didn't really have time to do R8 videos. They actually require a lot more work because I always try to do it a vlog style, but I think I'm gonna change that and just kind of do how-to videos going forward. But where is the car today? Unfortunately, I crashed the car just like in the video game. Nah, I'm kidding, that didn't happen. The car is downstairs in the garage, it's safe and sound. I'll take you down there in a bit. I just want to talk about what I've done over the past year with the car, since I didn't do individual videos for some of these mods that I've done. So let me walk you through each of the different mods that I did, and then what I have plans for the car. So let's head downstairs. Okay, in the garage, there is my baby. So it looks pretty much the same, but there's been some subtle differences. So the first thing was, this used to be silver, and I didn't like it because I had all the black ground effects kit and black wheels and carbon fiber pieces. This just didn't match. So I actually attempted to wrap it myself, but that was a major fail. It was harder than I expected. So I actually had a shop up at Hooksett, New Hampshire do this, and they did it in a gloss black PPF. So that's paint protection film, and it came out awesome, and it's still super slick. There's no scratches, and it's been over a year now. Still looks really good. And at the same time, I also had them do my headlights. So there's actually a smoke PPF film here, and that looks super awesome, and it fully protects my headlight, and it just gives it a nice sinister look. I love these two changes to the car, and I just had to do a photo shoot with this car, and it came out awesome. So what else did I do to the car? I pinstriped it. So it has silver pinstripe here in the canards, on the lower lip, on a side skirt, and on the diffuser. And the reason I did that was, it was mainly because of what I did to the diffuser, and I'll explain why as we get to the back. So here's my brand new diffuser. So this is actually 3 pieces of carbon fiber that I got online. It's a replica of the Liberty Walk diffuser for this car. All the diffuser out there are so expensive that you have to remove the bumper and replace the stock diffuser. These 3 pieces just mount right up to the stock holes, and they actually look pretty good. And what happened was, when I got this online, it was about 500 bucks. It came with a bunch of like scratches on the edge of the carbon. So instead of getting that repaired or returning it, I just went ahead and pinstriped this and decided to pinstripe the rest of the car. So that diffuser is brand new, and I think it looks super aggressive. Also, ta-da, that's all you see of my engine. Pretty lame for the Spyder. Under here, I upgraded the filters, so there were K&N Performance air filters. I haven't really felt a change in power, but it definitely sounds a lot better. The car definitely sounds better and a lot more aggressive, so that was a cool little mod. So what else do I want to do to the Audi R8? I really want to focus on the interior. It looks pretty good, but it's just a lot of black and carbon fiber. There's really nothing else to it. So I have plans of 1, upgrading the steering wheel, number 2, upgrading the seats, and number 3, installing an ambient light kit, which I don't think anyone's done for this model year of the Audi R8. So yeah, I'm really happy that I'm modifying the Audi R8 again, and I'm doing it on video. The only way for you guys to find out is to stay tuned and watch, and I'll see you next time.